Hello, how are you doing? This is Tercon known as Jamaica Income Guide. You see, if you really look for ways how to make money online, I'm going to show you a website that you can get signed up for free. Yeah, I'm going to show you a website that allows you to get started for free. This website, you can join this website and earn money from this website. I'm going to show you the website called clickbank. Look on the website page now. So all of the money over you see, you see right now, $68, $104, $38, $39, $41. The website allow you to earn them kind of money and even more. And I show you say it allow you to earn money. So you see the website here? The website allow you to earn a whole heap of money. So if you look for ways how to make money online, you need to check the website out. You clickbank. So as you can see, when you join the website here, you can earn over $3,000, $1,000, $1,000, $1,000. So you can see you earn over $1,000. You see me? The website allow you to get started for free. So it doesn't matter where you are in the world. All the country me think in the upset are like Africa and like certain other country, but I think it upset 95% of the country then worldwide. You understand? So if you are really looking for ways to make money, you need to join this website. Clickbank. And to join this website, all you have to do is go to www.clickbank.com. When I go to the website, you're going to click on create. It will take you to this page. So all you need to do, fill out the country. As I say, it upset 95% of country worldwide. So you can just put in your country, fill out the necessary information that you need to fill out: your first name, your last name, your phone number, your email address, and your password. You see what from you fill out all of them information here and get the account, you have to get on your dashboard, which is your clickbank dashboard. Where you have to do next to find the product there. You have to click on marketplace. So when you click on marketplace, that's how you go about finding the product there. I'm going to show you how to find good product to promote. Product allow you to make money over and over and over and over and over. You just want to sell it one time and you get paid for it over and over and over and over and over. I'll show you how to find the product. So what you can do, you can search your product by categories. See, and categories, there are lists where you can pick push category you have choose to find the product from. You don't really go look for a product in a category. You go find the product then, you go look for the top product and the top selling product then on the clickbank marketplace. So you need to hit search right here. So when we search right there, it show me the top popular product them on clickbank. You see all of them product them, all of them product here, then are the top product on clickbank. I will find the product them, the top product them, where people are make money from within the last month, and I find the top product where people are make money from within the last month. So find that, go gravity. You have to search it by gravity. So some click on gravity, you see them product here, then are the top product. Sorry, these are the top product on clickbank. And this are sell the most. See, it have 556 gravity, and the rest of them have less. So these are the top product. So if you find a product where when you sell it one time you get paid for it over and over and over and over, I'm going to show you how to find that product. When you're there in gravity, you want to scroll down and click right there. So recurrenting, and click right here. So and when recurrenting allow you to find the product then that when you sell it one time, the people then pay for it every month. So it allows you to get paid for it every month, over and over and over. So that's how you find them product there. See, just click on recurrenting, and you can see it's a list of product you can promote. So you can just pick a product where you want to promote. You understand? And you see the product then, when I sell the product then, this is how you get. Any product you sell, at the money where you see right here, so it again. So if you promote the product, you can just click right here to get the link where you need to use to promote the product. So what you can do, make sure your account nickname is right here. So if you know the right here, so you put in your account nickname right here. Your account nickname is going to be your check-in ID in the link. That's whenever you sell the product, clickbank is going to know say you are the affiliate. So them are going to pay you. They know say yeah, you have to get paid. So you want to put in your account nickname right here. So you see the check-in ID now. So for instance, you have more than one place I will promote the product. You want, whenever you make a sale, you want to know where the sale come from. You have promote the product more than one place. So if you have promote the product in a YouTube, you put YouTube yourself. If you have promote the product in an email list, you put it yourself. If you have promote the product on Facebook, you put it yourself. Pinterest, you put it yourself. So for instance, you have promote the product on YouTube. You put the product, put the check-in ID, YouTube right there, so and click generate app link. So when you click on that now, it will give me a link. This is the link you need to promote. So I'm going to copy the link there and promote the link there. Whenever someone click on the link and buy the product, you have to earn the money here. And I'm going to show you how you can find more tools for the product. It's right here, so it's an affiliate page. The affiliate page allows you to get resources, tools, and emails to help you promote the product. So the most product owner do, then provide you with tools and whole heap of things to help you promote the product so you can make money fast as possible. When you make money, then make money. So when you click on the affiliate page and check out the tool, they show you where some of them provide you and the tools for them provide you. They provide you like then provide with, so for instance, you have a website, then provide with banner where you can place on your website, and whenever somebody click on the banner and purchase, they make money. And then provide with Facebook ads. So if you have a promote the product in a Facebook, then promote with Facebook ads where you can put on Facebook to promote the product. And then promote them also provide with email swipe. So if you have an email list, you can get the email swipe, then just put send to your email list. So on the affiliate page, then provide with tools to help you promote the product. So whenever you make a sale on any product you choose to promote, the money will you see over here, so that's the money that you're going to get. So if you're still seeking for ways to make money online, get started with clickbank. Clickbank allow you to make money from 50 from 30%, 40%, 50%, I as 95% income. So and clickbank doesn't allow you just to earn over $68 or $68 or that alone. It allows you to earn $1,000, $3,000 and so more. So I'm going to show you again. As you can see, this product alone paying $3,284.44 from one sale. Okay, so if you're still seeking for ways to make money online, get started with clickbank and pick a product that you want to promote and promote it, and hope you'll see some sale. Okay, have a nice day.